Hello, this is Savor Japan. Today, we'll learn more about Japanese cuisine.
Unagi eel. It has been enjoyed in Japan since ancient times. References to unagi are even recorded in the oldest anthology of Japanese poetry, the Manyoshu from the 8th century. Even then, it was known as a nutrient-rich food, perfect for recovering from summer heat fatigue. At the end of the Muromachi period in the 16th century, broiled unagi seasoned with soy sauce, sake, or pepper was introduced. This was called kabayaki. Kabayaki is sweet and salty, and a very popular way to enjoy unagi in Japan. This kabayaki is best eaten over rice. Kabayaki, on a donburi, it is known as unadon. In rice in stacked lacquered boxes, it is known as unaju. Unagi grilled without seasoning, shirayaki. Innards skewered and grilled, kimoyaki. Or made into a clear soup, kimosui. Rice served in a wooden container and covered in finely chopped unagi, a meal known as hitsumabushi. When eating hitsumabushi, you can add condiments as you go. You get to enjoy the transformation of the flavors. There's a tradition of eating unagi on the hottest day of summer to prevent heat fatigue. A great deal of unagi is eaten in both restaurants and at home.
そうですね、やっぱりもう伝統の日本のお料理ですので、昔からこう食べなじんだタレのご飯とうなぎの香ばしさのパリッとしたふわっとしたやつを一緒に召し上がることの醍醐味はやっぱり他の料理にはないんじゃないかなと思います。
The soft, fluffy texture, the unique sweet and sour sauce, the savory fragrance created through careful broiling. You'll surely become addicted. Unagi, beloved by people across Japan. When you visit Japan, be sure to stop by an unagi restaurant.
How did you like it? Discover real Japanese cuisine. SavorJapan.com